Good morning, class. So, in last class, we have done shapes and spatial understanding, which was your first unit, and today we are going to start unit 2, which is about extension of numbers. As you can see that there is an exercise, but before doing this, I think we should start with number system. First of all, we all should know what is number system. I just want to make you a recall the system of grouping numbers together, grouping of number together, any kind of number, whether they are natural, real, integers. So grouping of numbers together is called a number system. Here we have classified two systems of numeration. First one, as you can see this in this image, first one is the Indian number system, or we can call it Hindu Arabic system. And on the other hand, we have international number system, or the another name of international number system is Western system. But today we will study about the Indian number system. We are going to discuss the place value chart, how to write numbers in Indian system. So shall we start? Okay, let's move to another page. See, I have created, wait, in our first question is rewrite the following numbers using commas to separate the periods according to the Indian place value chart and write them in words. So I am going to explain you the very first question, which is given in your books 362948405. So let's start. See, this is the chart of Indian system. Here the value is written. We will learn how to write these value in words or in commas. So first of all, you have to make this chart. You can easily see a tabular form of Indian system here. I have drawn this by using a pencil. In the very first, I have created a table for ones. In ones, there will be three columns: O, T, H. O for ones, T for tens, and H for 100. The value of ones is 1, as it is clear from ONES. 1 means 1, 10 means 1010, 100 means 100. Now after ones, we have to go to thousands. You have to create a table like this. In thousand, there are three zeros: 10000. And in the second column of thousands, that is 10,000, here will be one more zero. Like in thousand there are three zeros, but in 10,000 there will be four zeros. So create your table like this. Next, we will move to lakh, table of lakh. So in lakh, there will be one more zero than 10,000. There will be five zeros in 1 lakh. And in 10 lakh, there will be one more zero. That is, there will be 6. There will be one more zero. In lakh, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. In lakh there will be 5 zeros, and in 10 lakh there will be 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 6. Now let's move to table which is for crore. In our last series of 10 lakh there were 6 zeros, but here it will become 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros in 1 crore. And in next one, let's move to 10 crore. There will be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 10 crore there will be 8 zeros. Okay. See the table. Now we have a number. This number is given in your book 362948405. We have to write this according to this Indian system, according to this chart. So I think we should start writing this number into our place value chart. So we will start writing it from here. We can write here the series like this: O T H T H T T H L T L C T C. So this is our ones, tens, hundreds. So ones, we will write this value here. 5 is ones, na? Ones. So we will write it over there, 5. Okay. Next one is 0. It means tens value. We have to place it here, 0. Next one is 4 on hundreds place. So we have to write this 4 here, 4. 405. We will pronounce it. It is in hundredth column. So 400. No tens. There is 0. So we will directly call it 5. 400. Now let's move to another column of thousands. So how do we write the values? So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. We have to write like this, like our place value chart. So here, what is thousand? 8 is thousand, na? So we will write 8,000. After that 4, 10,000. This is at 10,000 value. So we will write 4 here. Then 9, we will write 9 in lakh series. See, 9 lakh. After that 2 in 10 lakh, 2 in 10 lakh, 6 in crore and 3 in 10 crore. Okay. Now we will discuss how we will pronounce them. So we will pronounce them by this. We have to pronounce it together: 3636 in crore, 36 crore, 29 lakh, 48,000 and 405. We have to write in words like this: 36 crore, 29 lakh, we will pronounce it like this. And there was a question also, that how do we put commas? So we will put commas according to this. See, 405, so 405, from here 405, then 1 comma. After the completion of ones table, here we have to write, we have to put a comma, 405. 48 in thousand series, 48 na? So before 48 we have to put a comma. Then 29, 29 is together in lakh series, so 29, and 36 is also together. So after the completion of crore, we have to put comma. After the completion of lakhs, we again have to put a comma. After the completion of this 1048, we have to put a comma. And in the last, in the one series, there is 3 column, 405. So we have to write it together. We do not need to put comma after 2 because there are 3 together, 405. These are ones. Ones, tens, 100 together, 1000, 10,000 together, lakh, 10 lakh together, crore, 10 crore together. This is how we have to put comma in Indian system, according to the Indian system. So you should know how to put comma and how to write in words. This is how I have write in words, and this is I have written my value in commas. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. See, 1, 2, 3. Here are only 3 commas which I have used. It will be more clear to you now. Now, let's move to another question. This is 8th question from your book. 800500462. We have to write this in place value chart. Similarly to this one, we have to write this like we have written this. Okay, so let's start. We have to write down from here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So here ones is given, so we have to write 2 here. We have to write here 2, 6 in tens, 4 in hundreds, 0 in thousands, again 0 in 10,000s, 5 in lakhs, 0 in 10 lakhs, 0 in crores, and 8 in 10 crores. Now you can see this, there is a lot of zeros in your question. So how we will pronounce this? See, 8 and 0 are together, so we will pronounce it 80 crore. So this is clear. We have to pronounce it together 80 crore. Now in lakhs, what will you pronounce? We are going to pronounce it 5 lakh, because there is 0 in 10 lakh. Then how can we pronounce it? We have to pronounce it 5 lakh. Ignore this 0. 80 crore, 5 lakh, again there are zeros, so we have to ignore this also. Now move to 462. 462. See, 80 crore, 5 lakh, 462. 80 crores, 5 lakh, ignore this, 462. This is how we have to write it in words. And again when we have to put commas, so what we will do? According to this table, after 3, 1, 2, 3, after 3 places we have to put a comma. Ones, tens, hundred. Here we will put comma. After that, 1,000, 10,000. 1,000, 10,000, we have to again put a comma. Lakh, 10 lakh, again we have to put a comma. Lakh, 10 lakh, and last digit is 08. That is our 80 crore. 80 crore. Okay, I think this topic is clear to you. So you have to do other questions like this. You have to create a place value chart in your copies, and you have to write like this in words, and you have to put commas like this I have told you. Okay, so I will check your copies. This question, this complete question, you have to do this. Just see, you have to attempt all these questions. This one I have done this one and this one. The leftovers like question number 3, 5, 7, 5, 4, 2, 4, 6, you have to complete this. Okay, now write in figures. You are going to do this with yourself by using your place value chart. I have already told this to you. This is given and you have to make this. Like I have done a question in your book that I am given 12 crore 10 lakh 545. How will we do that? See, we will do this like this. I can take help of this place value chart. Here we are given 12 crore. So where do we write 12 crore? 1, 2, 12 crore. Clear? Next 10 lakh, 10 lakh. So 1, 0, 10 lakh. Then 545. See, here is no 1000 series. So means we have to ignore 1000 series. For that we have to put 0, double 0. Okay, we have to put double 0. Now what we have? We have 545. 545. So we have to put the number here. 12 crore, 10 lakh, 545, like this. See, if you have any kind of problem with this question, you can take my help. And the best method ever I have told you is to create this place value chart. First of all, make the value. You will place value chart is also given in your book on page number 15. See, it is given place value chart of Indian system. You have to put values like this, and also you should know how many zeros are there. In ones there is no zero, in tens there will be 1 0, in hundreds there will be 2 0, in thousands there will be 3 zeros, in 10,000 there will be 4 zeros, in lakhs it will become 5, like 6 zeros, crore 7 zeros, and in 10 crores there will be 8 zeros. So you should know whenever I ask you how many zeros are there in 10 lakhs, in thousands, in hundreds. Okay.